Hello everyone. So we are starting with a new channel, Diverging Parallels, whose aim is to spread knowledge and awareness among our viewers. As we know that life is short, so we can't try each and everything. So we need to trade off between explore and exploit. So we need to explore things, and if we like it, then we need to exploit it until we master that skill. So we just want to make your explore part easier. We'll take some tough topics from different backgrounds and we'll try to teach them in as simpler way as possible, so that if you don't even have that base or background, then also you can understand them. The first topic that we will be taking is stock market. So the people who don't have any financial background face issues in dealing with stock market. So we'll try to cover the fundamentals of stock market, that why stock market exists, why companies got listed in stock market, should everyone invest in stock market, and in what proportion should they invest, and are the stock markets risky, and etc. So we'll try to cover these topics in our coming videos. The first thing that every investor needs to learn is the purpose of investing. So the basic purpose of investing is to preserve the value of money. If you have 10 rupees today, then these 10 rupees will not be equal to the 10 rupees after 10 years. This value is deteriorated by various factors like inflation, etc., that we'll teach you in our coming videos. The only prerequisite is the dedication and passion to learn. So if you're not from a financial background, then also it's fine. We'll try to teach you from scratch and we'll try to make the subject as simple as possible. So let's learn a skill which we don't have, and let's learn together. So we believe that everyone is defined by the knowledge one has and not by the degrees. We also belong to one of the most reputed IIT and we are open to learning. So if you have any skill and you want to share it with our viewers, you can contact us on the mail ID provided, divergingparallel@gmail.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So happy learning, and don't forget to like, share and comment on our video. And if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press that red bell icon so that you will not miss any update from our side. Till then, happy learning and stay safe. Thank you.